Hey everyone, today we will learn about functions and reusable code in Python. So let's get started. So let's start with the basic syntax. So to invoke a function, we will need def, and then, for example, the function name, greet, and of course a semicolon. And for example, print hello, for example, Bob. And then to invoke the function to run, we will just write greet or the name of the function. That's it. Saving it and running it. As you can see, hello Bob. Now what if we now have two names? So let's say hello name. And in the parameters, we're going to write name. So for example, greet Bob and greet Alice. So now this is a reusable code that will greet both of Bob and Alice instead of writing hello Bob and hello Alice on two different print statements. We're using the same print statements to we are using the same print statements to greet two different people. Now the greet part with the parameter is similar to a phone number. If you think about it, how do you call your friend? You dial in your friend's number on the phone, and yeah, it rings them up. So next up, onto the return. So for example, def is even, and there's gonna be number. So it's gonna return number %to equal 0. This will basically either tell us true or false if the number is even. Since if you go back to math, first up, the percentage sign in Python means the remainder. Might be useful if you're doing some math and algorithms. Either ways, for today, we're just using it to calculate if it's an even or an odd number. So if you go back to math, every even number is a multiple of 2. That's why we use the percentage to, or as you call it, the remainder of 2. So invoking the function, we will print, for example, print is underscore even, and let's, for example, give it the value of 10. Also print, and yes, if you're using return, this can work inside the print statements, is given, let's for example give it the value of 7. So in theory, this should give us true and this should give us false. Saving it and running it, true and false, just how I said that. Now we will update the Python calculator that we made a few episodes ago to use functions and loops. That's gonna be fun. So first up, we're gonna open the calculator file, calculator.py. This is our original code from a few episodes ago, and we're gonna leave it up here and then redo it down here. Like, we're gonna copy stuff from here and then keep it down here and stuff. Either ways, first up, action input and subtraction. So we're gonna copy the if statements first up. Hold on. Two. So it's gonna repeat itself forever. Exactly. And there's V. Nope, we're gonna actually use print to invoke it. Print the answer is, instead of answer, it's gonna be division. And since we do not have an invoked function right now, don't worry about it. We're gonna mostly take this and yeah, actually it's supposed to be up here. Div. And as always, and we're gonna return x over y. So it's gonna be right here. So next up, and elif statement. We're gonna first up edit this function a bit. Instead of div, yeah, I know I'm too lazy for the naming. Either ways, so it's gonna return in that mode. Oh. And then we're gonna go to elif. So we're gonna take that one and also add it here. We're gonna take the code from here and edit it a bit. And then we're gonna invoke a new function. Either ways, we're gonna replace it with return x plus y, and then remove this since it's not needed anymore. Then oh, yeah, right. We're gonna change this up a bit. Either ways. So we're gonna add it right here. In a bit, we're gonna change it up just so we can do the right. So it's gonna return x minus 1 and print so there are a few errors somewhere, I think. Oh yeah, for some reason I added the semicolon inside. Either ways, for example, let's say M. Hold on, did not find. Yeah, told ya we have to change it up. So let's, for example, so we're gonna add x and y, and right here we're gonna okay, since there's only one, so either ways, so we're gonna add another parameter here, x and y. Same thing here, x and y. Same thing here, x and y. Same thing here, x and y. And then we're gonna also take the inputs hold on, it's supposed to be before print, so and is right here, and we're gonna change all of these to X and Y, X and Y, X and Y. Either ways, we just got rid of all of the errors, and we're gonna add another one, which is exit for now. All the code should be saved, and we got a working calculator now. So for example, whatever number I want to add, it gives me the answer to it. And then if I want to exit the calculator, oh wait a second, I forgot to do the last thing. LF action equal E or of course, or action equal to E break print closed calculator V2 successfully. And of course, I'm dumb as always forgetting the quotations. And running it again, this time typing EN, so it should be normal. Python debugger. And E for X. And yeah, that's it for today. We learned functions, and we updated the calculator to be a bit more advanced. Instead of running it every single time, it's gonna be running forever until you close it, just like a real calculator. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.